What's up guys, and welcome to the 35th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. And in this tutorial it's all about the typedef storage class. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing you gotta do is just type typedef int and say RCD counter. Next line is to get into the main program and say int main parentheses curly braces and say RCD RC equals 1 2 3 4. Close that off. Now print this all out. We can say std cout RC and say records. Close that off as well. We can execute this, but before we do that, let's just go through the small program and see what it's all about. So we have a program that is the typedef storage class, and where it says typedef int RCD counter, that is an alias, it's an alias for int. Where it says RCD counter RC equals 1 2 3 4, declare an object of type RCD counter, so we should hopefully get printed at 1 2 3 4 records. So if I execute this and see what we get, 1234 records. We can print out a new line or put it on a new line or whatever. So it'll be on a new line. Okay, 1234 records. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.